What is up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Santi and this is Beamer House.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
Real quick, before we get too far into this video, if you're a BMW enthusiast, you like automotive detailing, you want your car to look sharp, you like to modify your car and potentially even drift it, you're at the right place. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and join us on this journey. So today's activities will include polishing these headlights. We're gonna see if they are going to come back. Now, these headlights have been polished several times, probably 4, maybe 5 times. So I don't know if they're really gonna come back right now. They've obviously been cooked. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see if we can polish these out, make them look half decent. If not, we'll go ahead and order up some headlight lenses and get those swapped out and get this car one more step closer to looking the way that it should. So for starters, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get this thing popped off. This thing has absolutely seen better days. Where is the last one? There it goes. Actually, not too bad, not too bad. This thing is absolute junk. Whew. This thing's coming off in bits and pieces. Alright, so a quick look at some of the supplies that I'm going to be using now. I used to be a professional detailer, so I still have a ton of equipment. I've only recently needed to pick up some pads and stuff like that. However, there are a ton of ways to actually get this done. So in general, the process is going to be about the same. You might use a drill with a pad attachment or something like that, but you know, the process is going to be the same essentially. Now, a real quick look at some of the equipment that you're going to need. Cat is optional. So starting off, I'm going to be using the Roops LHR 75. This is a 3-inch. And these are the pads that are obviously going to be used on this machine for this job. I'm just using a Lake Country manufacturing pad. This is the microfiber cutting pad and it is 3.25 inches, and this is the HDO 3.5 inch Lake Country pad. There's a couple of varieties of orange pads. I like the HDOs a lot better, but don't you worry, there's going to be links in the description below that are going to take you exactly to these products, so there's not going to be any sort of confusion. I ended up picking this up at AutoZone, and this is just a 3000 grit sand pad, and you're going to want to use that in conjunction with a bucket full of water to sand down the headlights. In terms of polishing compounds, there's a variety that you could use. You know, these are just sort of some examples. I would say Meguiar's 100, 105, maybe even 110 might work. For the actual cutting process, I've got some Jescars here, correction compound. I've always really enjoyed using this, so either one of these would work. And this is going to be for the secondary polish, and this is just going to refine the finish and make sure that it's super glossy and nice, and that'll be used in conjunction with the HDO pad. I grabbed the bucket like this and just ripped a chunk right off, so my bucket is obviously on its last legs.
Oh, yeah.
sanded. Not sanded. Moving on to the last step of the polishing phase, we've got the Sonax Perfect Finish dabbed on the HDO Lake Country orange pad. Let's see how this goes. So those headlights came out pretty good, and I'm always kind of impressed whenever I do them. Not really, you know, pat myself on the back, impressed with myself, or yeah, a little bit, but I'm always shocked that these headlights keep coming back. Now I will say that generally when you polish plastic over and over and over again, you know, plastic headlight covers, the yellowing usually comes back like quicker and quicker. So, you know, who knows how long this will last. But it only cost me a couple of pads. Now this part I'm kind of excited about. I've hated these things on my car, you know, the old and busted ones. They've looked terrible for a really long time. So I'm super pumped to have found these on eBay for like 30 bucks shipped. So I'm going to include a link in the description below so you guys can pick these up for your E46. You know, kind of round out the whole freaking thing. Hopefully it looks a little bit better in there. So there it is. The car's headlights are finally polished. Got the new trims on there as well. Headlights look a lot better. Far from perfect, but definitely look a lot better. All right, so one last thing before I go. If you're interested in getting 10% off of your next detailed image order, use promo code detailed image, all one word, 15991. That's gonna give you 10% off almost anything on their website, and who doesn't like a little bit of a discount? So thank you guys for sticking around towards the end. Please, honestly, subscribe. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. Next week, we're gonna be attempting to do our own tint. I've never done tint before. This I have done. This kind of stuff I know how to do. Tint, no clue. I'm kind of excited though, because this car needs tint pretty bad. So stick with us. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.